Your homepage is not just a welcome mat. It's the snapshot of your whole business. And if it's missing the right info, people are going to bounce. So today we're covering 5 must-answer questions every homepage needs if you want to convert visitors into dream clients and show up on Google too. Let's jump into it. Question number 1 is, what do you do? Let's talk clarity of offer. Your homepage needs to say loud and clear what you actually do. This is your core service or transformation. We're not getting into the why, just the straight up value you provide. Above the fold, meaning before you even scroll, your visitors should instantly understand what problem you solve, what service or product you provide, or what outcome they can expect. If a new visitor can't figure out what you offer in 5 seconds, they're gone. We want to be super clear here and skip the fluff. Don't say something like, welcome to my site. Don't say helping heart-led dreamers shine. Instead, say exactly what you do and use terms that people are actually going to search for, like show it website templates or family photography. 2 quick bonus SEO tips here is to include your location if you're a local business and to use those searchable keywords in your H1 tag or your main heading. And now that we're clear on what we do, now that we've got that nailed down, let's get into question number 2, which is, who do you help? Let's clarify your audience, not just who could hire you, but who your services are really meant for. When someone lands on your site, they want to feel like you really get them. And that doesn't mean you need to box yourself into one narrow niche. You can speak to multiple types of clients as long as there's a common thread tying them together. For example, maybe you're a photographer who shoots both newborns and brand sessions. At first glance, that might seem like 2 totally different clients. New parents versus business owners. But maybe what connects them is that they're both navigating big life milestones. They're building something meaningful and want it captured with heart. That shared motivation is what you speak to on your homepage. Here are 3 flexible ways to niche. 1 is by industry, so website design for family photographers. 2 is by service type, SEO-focused copywriter for service businesses. And 3 is by shared challenge or goal, helping creatives tell their story through strategic photography. Focus less on demographics and more on mindset, values, or problems your clients share. What are they all looking for that you uniquely deliver? SEO tip: swap out big phrases like heart-centered entrepreneurs for what real people actually search. The more specific you are, the more likely they'll find you. Let's get into question number 3. What makes you different? This is where you stand out. Your homepage should clearly communicate your unique flavor, your spin, your why. Why should someone hire you instead of the next tab they open? Talk about your process, your vibe, your philosophy, and get specific. Instead of, I'm passionate about helping small businesses, try, I help creative business owners clarify their brand using my 3-part signature process so their websites convert, not just look pretty. This is your secret sauce. Show it off. And if you're not sure what makes you unique, grab my free marketing trail mix method mini course. It'll help you figure out your special blend of skills and strengths. Question number 4. What should they do next? Your homepage should never be a dead end. Guide visitors to the next step. Whether that's booking a call, browsing services, grabbing your freebie. Make that call to action, CTA, clear and repeat it throughout the page. Too many options equals confusion and they bounce. Give them a clear path from interested to buying. Finally, question number 5. Why should they trust you? People don't trust websites, they trust other people. So bring on the social proof. Testimonials, before and after stories, features or press, recognizable clients or brand names that you've worked with. Even if you just have 1 testimonial for now, make sure that it's on your homepage and make sure people can find it. Here's another little SEO tip for you. Ask for testimonials with keywords built in. While testimonials like Kate was amazing make you feel good, testimonials like Kate built my SEO-friendly show up website and now I'm booking dream clients will actually help you show up on Google. It takes a little work to make sure that clients are using those words in their testimonials, but it is so worth it. Make sure you're asking for feedback, give them prompts to get them started, and give them examples of what you're looking for. Before we wrap up, I want to give you one last little bonus tip. If you're stuck, if writing your homepage feels impossible, skip it. Start with your services pages or your about page instead. Once you nail those down, it's so much easier to see the through line, and that becomes the heart of your homepage. Let's recap the 5 questions your homepage must answer. 1, what do you do? 2, who do you help? 3, what makes you different? 4, what should they do next? And 5, why should they trust you? And a bonus, include your location, even if you're not local. It helps Google and it gives a little personal touch. Your homepage is the big picture snapshot of your business. It should show off what makes you awesome and guide the right people to work with you. If you're ready to make sure your homepage actually reflects what you do and who you are, grab my free marketing trail mix method to get started uncovering your unique brand magic. I'll see you in the next video.